Looking for headphones with powerful bass, clear audio, and all-day comfort? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Soundcore Q20i noise-canceling headphones, designed for immersive sound and all-day comfort in a sleek over-ear design. Enjoy deep bass, clear audio, and hybrid ANC that reduces background noise for focused listening. With stable wireless connectivity and long battery life, they're perfect for music, calls, travel, and daily use. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Soundcore Q20i noise-canceling headphones, aux audio cable, USB Type-C charging cable, user manual and quick start guide, product features. Uses advanced noise-canceling technology to effectively reduce surrounding sounds and distractions, creating a quieter and more focused listening environment. Whether you're in a busy office, on public transport, or walking through crowded streets, it helps you stay immersed in your music, calls, or podcasts without unwanted background noise interfering. Delivers high-resolution sound with rich, punchy bass, clear vocals, and well-balanced audio detail across all frequencies. This ensures a more immersive experience whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or taking calls, allowing every sound to feel more natural, dynamic, and engaging. Built to support extended listening sessions with long-lasting playback on a single charge. It's ideal for travel, work, or daily use, giving you the freedom to enjoy music, calls, and entertainment throughout the day without constantly worrying about recharging. Designed with soft cushioned ear cups and an adjustable headband that adapts comfortably to different head shapes, the lightweight structure helps reduce pressure on the ears, making it suitable for long hours of continuous wear during travel, work, or relaxation without discomfort. Technical specifications. How to wear. Before wearing, please remove the sticker inside the left ear cup. Hold the headphones firmly and adjust the headband by extending or shortening it until it fits comfortably on your head. Make sure it is snug enough to stay in place, but not so tight that it causes pressure or discomfort during long listening sessions. Check the markings on each ear cup, L for left and R for right, and align them correctly with your ears. This ensures proper sound balance and helps you experience audio the way it was intended, with clear stereo separation and accurate direction. Gently place the ear cups over your ears and adjust their position so they fully cover your ears without gaps. Make small adjustments to ensure a secure and comfortable fit that delivers clear, balanced sound while reducing outside noise. Gently fold the headphones without forcing to prevent stress on the hinges and headband. Store the headphones in a protective pouch to avoid dust, scratches, and accidental damage. Keep them away from direct sunlight and always store them in a dry, safe place when not in use. How to pair? Begin by downloading the Soundcore app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. This app is essential for accessing full functionality, including sleep sound controls, customization options, and future firmware updates. Once installed, open the app and allow any required permissions for a smooth setup experience. Press and hold the power button until the LED light turns on, or you hear a pairing prompt sound. Go to your phone, tablet, or laptop settings and turn on Bluetooth. Make sure it is in discovery mode. Find the headphone name in the available devices list and tap to connect. Follow the step-by-step instructions shown in the app to finalize the connection. After pairing, you can personalize your experience by adjusting sleep sounds, volume levels, touch controls, and other settings. This ensures the earbuds are fully optimized for your comfort and sleep preferences. How to charge. Use the included USB-C charging cable and plug it into the charging port on the headphones. Connect the other end to a power source like a wall adapter, laptop, or power bank. While charging, the LED indicator will show the charging status, and once it's fully charged, usually in about 2 hours, the light will indicate completion. After that, you're ready to enjoy long hours of playback. Safety tips. Avoid extreme temperatures. Use approved chargers. Keep them dry. Clean gently. Use safe listening levels. Store properly. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.